In this video, we're going to look at how to find the area of trapezoids on Khan Academy. So to find the area of a trapezoid, we're going to need to average the bases and then multiply by the height. And the reason that makes sense is, let's look at this trapezoid, right? If we did 2 times 6, we would get 12. So if we use this base right here, 2 times 6, we would get 12. But you can see that does not capture, right, the full area of the trapezoid. But if we did 3 times 6, and get 18, that rectangle would look like this, right? And that is too big. It's capturing this extra area that's not part of the trapezoid. So just thinking kind of logically, what if we averaged 2 and 3, right? And then multiplied by 6. And that is in fact the formula for the area of a trapezoid. A plus b divided by 2, where a and b are the two bases. So again, dividing by 2 is finding the average multiplied by the height. So we're going to just plug these ingredients into our recipe. We get 3 plus 2 divided by 2 times 6. 3 plus 2 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5. Notice that 2.5 is halfway in between 2 and 3. That's another way to find the average of two numbers. And we get 2.5 times 6, which is 5 times 3, which is 15. Here we have a trapezoid with bases 6 and 8. The average of 6 and 8 is 7, right? 7 is halfway in between them. And then we're going to multiply by the height. 6. 7 times 6 is 42. Here, the bases are 7 and 8. 7 plus 8 is 15, divided by 2 is 7.5. So we're going to need to do 7.5 times 5. Well, 7.5 times 4 is 30, because 7.5 times 2 is 15. So 15 plus 15, 30, and then another 7.5, 37.5. Last one, the bases are 8 and 7. We just had one like that. We know the average of 8 and 7 is 7.5. And the height is 4. So 7.5 times 4, that's the same thing as 15 times 2. Right? I doubled the 7.5 to 15 and cut the 4 in half to 2. That's 30 square meters. So that's how you find the area of a trapezoid.